Hello, it's LGA Dev here, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Tailwind CSS into your React application. First of all, we go onto this website, tailwindcss.com, and then we click on Get Started, go onto Framework Guides, scroll down, and you want to click on Create React Application, this one here. And here, you can see has the steps you need to take in order to install Tailwind CSS into your application. First thing we're going to do is create a React application. So we're going to type in this command, npx create React application, and then with the name of our project. Let me open. So this is the directory I'd like to create my React application into. Type in cmd and then you press enter. And this will open the command prompt. And what we want to do is type in that command. So npx create -react -app and the name of your application. So I would say my app and then press enter. It's going to take a while, probably like a few minutes, for it to install all the packages that it needs to install and also create the application. So I'm going to pause the video here and then resume once it has completed. So now it's finished installing all the packages it needed. We are then going to go into the directory of the newly created application. So cd my app using the app name. So now we're in that directory and we're going to open this application in Visual Studio Code by typing in code, so code, and then space, and then a dot at the end, then press enter. And it's just going to open some Visual Studio Code, which is perfect. So here are all the files in your React application, and so press Ctrl J to open the terminal. And once the terminal is open, this is the point where we're going to start installing our Create React application. So go back onto this the Tailwind CSS website. We want to copy this command and then paste it into our terminal on Visual Studio Code. So paste, and then this would install all the packages you need to basically install Tailwind CSS. And then after we've done that, what we want to do is run this command npx tailwind css init, which will initialize the Tailwind and also create our config file, our Tailwind CSS config file. So if you look to the left-hand side over here, you'll be able to see that a new file is going to be generated in a moment. Just give it a sec. Where is it? Okay, it did not generate. Oh, that's because I copied the wrong command. So init, let me copy it properly and then paste it in here. There's a newly created file, the one in green, tailwind.config.js. Open it, and we're going to return the content. So we're going to return it with all these file extensions. And so we're going to copy this, paste it into our newly created config file, save it, and then we would like to add all the Tailwind directives to our CSS. So we want to copy all of this in here, and we want to add it to our index.css file. So add it to the top. This could all go. Add it to the top. Save it, and then basically you just run the application, and then we npm start. And that is how you install Tailwind CSS into your project. And to get started or to start using it, basically you just go to the documentation, and it's basically just using CSS through the class names. And you're going to love it. That's it.